He is now removing the suspension. Because he's cleaning them up. They are very rusty, guys, and corroded. Is that what you're cleaning?
No.
Uh-oh. This one's a little stuck, guys. All out. Do we need new ones? Oh, look at these beauty guys. What? What do you need?
You want to grab me some scissors or something?
Scissors? Okay. Guys, there it is. There's the beauty. Look how perfect she is. She's a perfect beauty.
That's what I need to clean.
That's what you need to clean? Well, let's go clean in the bathtub.
Shit. No, man, I gotta take all that corrosion off.
How do you...
All that shit. I'm gonna put some anti-seize on it, turn it all in there. Like that.
Oh.
And then just make sure they're good.
And she'll bounce?
What?
Will she bounce better?
Well, no. They'll just want to go to shit so quick. If I keep maintaining them and shit.
Yeah, because those weren't cheap.
Because Canada sucks. I just bought this, last year?
Yeah.
Look, it's already rusting.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that. Wow.
So I thought if I maintain it, it'll last longer. Try to get this a little nicer.
They are very pretty, though. That was the whole reason why we went with pink, guys, because he had this. He told me you could really see this, and then I found out you couldn't see shit.
Well, if I would have had fucking an angle kit, you would see it. When I turn and shit, you can sort of see the suspension.
He made it act like I could see more. Like, see it. And then I realized you can't see it. So then he had to add some sort of pink for me, you know? So that's what came into this, guys. That's why he made this pink. Aww. Because, you know, he wasn't going to do the roll cage pink. You know? So, I got one thing pink, guys. Only one thing? Huh. Thought I had more. No more. What do you need me to do? Oh, that's our new tool we just got. What's this tool called again?
Die grinder.
Die grinder. We just got that, guys. What is that? A compressor? Oh. Is it a quiet one?
No.
Oh. Ours, we want to get one, and I told you guys earlier about it, and it's quiet. Well, it says it's, what did it say?
What?
What did the one we want to get said? It's quiet. How much quiet?
50%.
50% quiet. So let's hear what's 100%. So those are the teeth I was telling you guys about. The lobster claws. Oh, they can go that big.
Oh man, I can like fucking jack up the car. I can like slam it to the ground and it touches the ground.
Really? Yeah. Ooh.
I can make it look like off-road car thing.
Ooh.
I can jack it up like fucking huge.
Wow. So if you guys want a pair of suspensions, go with Godspeed.
There's a lot of other brand that does this.
I like Godspeed. They make pink. What do you like?
I don't know.
Well, what would it be a brand you consider?
I don't know. They're all kind of good. It depends what you use them for. I don't know. These ones, like they're not like the priciest one, but they're not the cheapest one. But they're, I don't know. I don't have any problem with them.
They cost
like,
too much for us.
Fucking good. So they drift good. So.
Yeah, they do.
They're just like stiff, but that's what I like. You know, some people like they get like suspension like this, and they're like driving on the road, and they're like, "What the fuck? They're so fucking stiff." Well, man, it's made for racing, not driving on the fucking road.
Oh, they want to bounce?
No, like you know how the roads are rough and shit.
Yeah.
Well, that's why they make like the OEM suspension more smooth.
Oh.
You know, so you don't feel all those fucking things. But when you have like suspension like this, they're not really meant for the road.
You feel all that. And you want bucket seats? Damn, your ass is gonna hurt. Ooh. Ooh, you get to try your new tool out first time. Trying that bad girl out. That bad boy out. Should I wear glasses too? Okay. Don't lose her.
This one's nice though. It's got like the tool on it and everything.
It's cutie. Okay, now back to it. Does that cut the teeth?
I'm trying not to go full speed.
I thought we were just gonna clean it with soap and water and a sponge.
She's starting to rust. Trying to take that off.
Well, then you just... What's that string hanging there?
What we need to tighten it?
I think we need a new elastic. I think we need a new elastic.
It's not elastic, it's a piece of metal.
Oh.
So when you tighten it, it's squeezed. So you don't have to tighten it all the way, like crazy tight, because that keeps the tension in there.
Do you want me just to scrub it with a welding scrubby?
No, I have mine here. It's just I don't feel like scrubbing, so it's a little easier.
Well, you could ask me. Some of the pink fell off.
Yeah, it's from this.
Aww.
From this thing.
Oh no.
I don't need it.
Don't do that.
Well, I'm gonna fucking paint it or just cut it off.
What? Why?
See, because it looks coming off there too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
What can we put on to protect it?
just repaint it.
Add that pink. Are you gonna repaint it pink? Huh?
Yeah. I can find the same pink. I don't know which color.
No,
it
you
is.
painted the pink we have. Our pink.
Yes. So I'm gonna have to get all that rust off.
Stick it in Coca-Cola.
No, you just
Coca-Cola.
see, look, it goes all nice. See? Goes back shiny, but I'm just gonna make it nice and then clean it off and then paint it and then put clear coat on it.
So you're doing that all this week? I thought we were just cleaning it.
What do you think I'm fucking doing?
But you said we're gonna paint it.
Well, I'm not gonna paint the entire thing. Just like quick paint it.
Oh, then we
something.
do need the right pink.
I'm not doing all that.
The suspension looks pretty simple to make.
Well, it has like, I don't know, some are like air compressed or fuel compressed in there. There's like springs and shit. And it's not that easy. Like you need a lot of kind of.
You're trying. You're making control arms and knuckles. That's not easy.
It's totally different.
But the control arms and knuckles look so much harder.